A call for action in downtown Grand Rapids. Residents and business owners say they've had to deal with harassment, trespassing, even physical assault.
Today, city commissioners discussed safety concerns and solutions at City Hall. And that's where we find 13 on your side's Carla Byron live. And Carla, what have they talked about so far?
So guys, no actions were taken tonight. However, city administrators did talk about existing ordinances already on the books addressing aggressive behaviors. They also talked about services they've been providing for the homeless community already. So to recap quickly how we got here, the Grand Rapids Chamber as well as numerous people want city leaders to adopt an ordinance addressing people experiencing homelessness who are hindering business as well as making storefronts unsafe. They're requesting a few things: prohibit sitting or lying in a specific public space if there's adequate shelter space available to those in need, prohibit aggressive solicitation, harassment, and intimidation, and lastly, define where solicitation is allowed. Now, in response tonight, commissioners say they'd rather address these concerns through a holistic approach, addressing homelessness, housing, and mental health in a compassionate way. Instead of creating new ordinances and resources, they want to use existing ones, such as their homeless outreach and mobile crisis response team, their Network 180 and Mel Trotter partnerships, and affordable housing fund funding. City Manager Mark Washington says having a more permanent, affordable housing supply is key to solving this issue.
It's very key because the shelters are temporary. We have roughly 1,000 overnight emergency shelters, and what we want to do is move people from shelters to permanent supportive housing and hopefully reduce the need for shelters and have more people in housing, and that's really going to have the greatest impact on eliminating homelessness in our community.
So what is going to happen from here? Well, those city administrators, they are going to review their initiatives and partnerships to see how else they can address these issues if there's any shortcomings. And then they're going to reconvene with the City Commission next year. Reporting live in downtown Grand Rapids, Carla Byron, 13 on your side.